Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I am here with a new interactive album to share with you. So let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am super excited to share with you a new album. So this is a cascading book project that, as you can see, turned out super chunky. I love how this feels, how this looks. So it was really fun to play with and super interactive. So this is one of my class kits. So if you would like to subscribe to the kits, I'm gonna have the link below on my website, so you can either subscribe to the monthly kit and receive a set every month as well as the video class, or you can buy the kit by itself. So I will have all the options on the website, and I will also be having a video class by itself coming up as well. So everything again will be linked below. I do want to mention that this book is going to be listed for sale on the website as well, so I'll have a separate link to that on the description box. But yeah, so before I show you the walkthrough of this book, I do want to mention that my previous kit is now restocked. So if you're interested on the kit and the class, I will have that link below by itself without the subscription. So this was for the month of April. So if you subscribe in April, you receive this kit and the video class, and then this is the one for May. And again, if you subscribe now, you will receive the May kit and the following kits as well. Everything will be linked on the website, but if you would like to receive the kits monthly, I will highly appreciate it if you guys subscribe, because that helps us so much with the count and how many we order, and that also guarantees that you will have the next kit as well. And I'm super excited to share with you what the next month will be, but we will do that on a separate video. So this book here measures 9 by 8. So on your kit you get the paper collection, you also get the complimentary backgrounds for the collection, you get the beautiful prima flowers, this chipboard elements here, the seam binding, and also some foam tape that we use to create this 3D frame here. So on the cover we have these beautiful flowers, we have the 3D chipboard piece that I went ahead and embossed on gold, and then I added this frame which is part of the cut aparts, and I just kind of changed the background to make this into a 3D frame for this book. And I just really love the paper collection. I love all these, like the collage of picture frames on the wall, which is so pretty, and I think this was the perfect centerpiece for that. So on the back we have just some plain cardstock, and this book measures 9 inches by 8, and we have 4 signatures on the inside. And like I said, this is a cascading book, so when you open this up you have your pages here on the side, and all of these pages are added onto the back page to create a cascading. Now because of the add-ons, this is kind of got a little bit chunkier, but the spine is not where we are attaching the pages this time, which I really love how this turned out. Over here we have an opening page, and this is from the sticker sheets, also part of the kit. It says gather at home together with family, and then this opens up and it opens down. And so I use all of the papers and even the last little bit of scraps, and then I use some of the pink cardstock to complement just some of the background pages here. So this closes up like that, and then over here we have a large area for a picture. This is actually a pocket here on the inside, so you can add some photo mats back there. And then here we have a little cascading waterfall, and each one of these pages open up. So I haven't finished adding, I will just do a solid pink cardstock here, but everything else is white, so I just went ahead and added some of the paper collection down here. So again, I ran out of paper, but I think we were able to maximize a lot of the paper, and we also have a lot of places for pictures. So this would actually fit 7 by 5 pictures. So even if you just put your pictures here, you won't need to add more cardstock there as well. So all of these open, and so they kind of open side to side like that. So lots of room for your pictures here. And then of course the pocket on the back as well. Then we go into page number 1, and so over here we have this beautiful image. This is from the cover part. It says Home Sweet Home, and it opens and opens like that, and then an image from the 4x6s. And I love this page. This is a new page that I was kind of playing with my paper, and it is kind of like a rolling, I guess you could call it a waterfall. So you just push that up, and then you can put pictures here. You can add a note on the back, and then same thing here. You can maybe add a picture on the back there as well. But this was just really fun to play with. And then when you open this up, you have a reveal page here, and then this is also a belly band, so you can use that to add more photo mats on the background. But I really like playing with this new page here, new rolling waterfall, and you will see that probably coming again because I just really had fun making that. Then over here we have a little image. It says it takes a family to make a home, and then this opens up, so some of the 4x4 cards, and then this opens to the side, and it opens to the side here. And then back here, this is a belly band, so you can take this out, and this was one of the add-ons that I did. And then this is a 4x6, kind of like a gatefold. This is from the kind of parts, and then I just left the inside plain, so you can add pictures, do a little bit of journaling, all in that, and that tucks back in here. It's like a little secret pull out right there. Then on this page, again, beautiful paper from the collection. This opens up, place for a picture, and then here we have a fun little pocket. So it's upside down pocket. I love making these. They're just kind of whimsical. Then over here, place for pictures, and this is an expanding accordion fold, so pictures over here. Again, this can go on the back. You can add more photo mats in there, and then place for pictures here as well. I just gonna have this piece holding that together, and that all closes. And then here on the side we have a pull tab, so we have a double sliding page here. So this pulls out, make some room here, and then this pulls out here. Again, I forgot to cover that up with paper, but just a large area for pictures on this side, and then they all tap back into the page. Back here, another chunky add-on that I just again wanted to add so many elements because the collection is just so pretty. So this is one of the 4x6 cards. Again, I really love this kind of like collage wall, right? What do you call this? Like a gallery wall. And then this paper was so pretty with the mittens, you know, the oven mittens, and then a little sentiment over here. So this opens up, and then this opens up here again, and then back here we have a pocket. So this was using all of my scrap pieces, and I just like how this turned out. This is a 4x3 card, and then all of that just closes up like that. Then we open these up, and we have place for 4x6 pictures, so one of the counterparts. And this is just some background paper. Again, to avoid the bulk, you can just glue your pictures directly here and avoid the cardstock. The cardstock for this collection is also pretty thick. It's Cartabella, so they have a lot of texture. I love the cardstock. It almost feels like wallpaper when you touch it, and yeah, it creates a little bit more bulk, but it's just so pretty. So you can put 4x6 pictures on that page right there. Then this page I think turned out really fun. So over here it says love makes a house a home, and then this is a little gatefold. It opens up like that. So again, just use some leftover pieces to finish adding paper here. I should have just add pink here, but I just wanted to use all of my little bits here. Then over here, this opens down, so this is a little accordion, long accordion fold, and then back here, place for pictures too. And then this whole thing opens up like that, so again, place for pictures. And when you open that up, you can now spin this down and place for pictures there as well. So it says happiness is homemade with love. So pretty. And then this opens up, and here we have a pop-up page like that, so you can add pictures on the back. But also I wanted to decorate this piece and have option for pictures, so they have a pocket. So on the back of the pocket you can add your photo mats in there. So these are 4 by 4.5, so you can fit a few in there as well. So that is the pop-ups. Kind of hard to open again because I added so many interactive features that, yeah, it's not quite opening as flat as I wanted to, but I thought it was really fun to add a pop-up there. So then this just kind of goes in between and it closes up like that, so locks everything in place. On this next page, again, to avoid the bulk, you could avoid this side probably, but again, I love bulky, chunky books. So this is a pocket. It says follow your dreams. I love the images on the collection here. Some gold cardstock from the complimentary set that is also included on the kit. These are from the 4x6. Home is wherever we are together. And then this is just a trifold for 4x6 pictures, and that goes right there. And then this place opens up, and we have a full 4x6 waterfall here. And so these are just left blank, but you can fit a lot of 4x6 pictures. And then this page opens up like that, large areas here as well. And then on this last page, again, I just had a lot of fun with this layout also. So here we have a gatefold. It opens up like that, and then this opens down. This is an accordion fold, and it opens up like that too. We close that up. Then up here it says I am home when I'm with you, and then this opens down, so place for 4x6 pictures, and it also slides to the side, so you can do some journaling or pictures there. And then this opens down, again, place for picture, and then this opens up, and this is a 3D page here, which is a beautiful area for a picture. So a lot of the papers that I added here you can avoid by just using leaving a blank for pictures, but because I wanted to display, I have a lot of paper from the collection here that is actually quite thick, so you could probably avoid some of those. And then this opens up, so you can put big, this is for like a 5x7 picture there. And then that all closes up, and then this opens to the side here one more time. And on this side again, a pocket, so this opens up. I use even, as you can see, the, what is this? The cover sheet for the collection, which I just like the combination of the stripes here, so I just put that over here. I didn't want to, you know, get rid of it. And pocket, so you can add some photo mats in there. You can actually close this up and add the photo mats here to keep that closed. And I always think that pockets are so practical to have on the last page. You can add some, you know, anything that you want to remember and collect. So a large area here for pictures, same back here, but also I created a double pocket on this page. So this is a pocket and this is a pocket here, and I absolutely ran out of cardstock to add in here, but I went ahead and created some just this little piece here from the sticker sheet. I do have the full sticker sheet left, which is, I didn't really use it except for a couple little pieces here and here. And I'm actually using those for my planner, which it turned out so cute to decorate my planner with that. But of course you can use that to continue decorating some of the pages on your book. And so that is the Feels Like Home album kit. So again, I'm gonna have my website link below if you're interested on purchasing the kit. This is the kit for the month of May. So you can either subscribe to the kit, and I'm also adding an option to buy the kit by itself if you don't want to do the subscription. But always subscription gets first priority for the amount of kits that we prepare for each month. So I will also have the video class by itself listed on the website as well. And I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.